really
What's happening,
cheap. I'm so
Ashley?
surprised being
We're just
petrol
driving
station.
to
I bought mine for $15
Yeah,
for
past
an
Wellsford.
cheap.
That's it.
Hey, should I train the shit out
And then I think that should go into like scenery and music after that once I do that.
Okay.
But don't put that part in.
I'm gonna cut mine.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah. Do it. With the kale, we can make a bunch.
For my kale.
Okay. Cute.
Very yellow. Good thing.
Instagram that later.
Smiling at me. You put down the knife. You say it's not time yet. Instead, let's go walking outside. Don't give up. Don't you quit on me. Don't give up. Don't you quit on me. I'm still a boy, but you're not the same. My skin still looks see-through, and I feel underneath like a fake. You're smiling again.
Okay, wait guys, 5 minutes? 35 minutes. To Whangarei Falls.
Oh, okay, let's do falls.
Do you want to do 35 minutes?
Falls, let's go. Joanna needs to see the falls.
There's gotta be some way out of here. There's gotta be some hope after the fear. There's gonna be fire, there's gonna be rain, but there's gonna be stronger love after all the pain. If you can't get over it, then we're gonna get under it. And if we can't get under it, then we're gonna get through it. If we can't get through it, we'll just undo. We're gonna get to the height of this now. Gonna get around this, gonna get through this somehow. There's gotta be some way through it all. There's gotta be some hope behind all of these walls. So make it a song that they can sing when you're gone. There's gonna be stronger love, we've only just begun. If you can't get
Oh, look at this beautiful meadow.
Should I take a photo?
Yeah, this is gonna take us longer than half an hour. If you take it back, you can't give it back to me though. But I'll carry your shit.
Oh, okay, that's a good spot.
Can you carry my shit too, please, babe? Aww. Rude. Oh, look at it. That was actually a really quick walk. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, look how green and pretty it is, Joe. Look, 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 look. Look how green it is. Oh, I just think, oh, so pretty.
Well, I am the stranger in the shadow, and I am the sleeper at the wheel, and I am the choice in the anonymous voice that says none of it's real. Well, I've heard the footsteps of the hungry, and I've heard the breathing of relief. Well, I heard the scream of a mother in a dream, but that could have been me. Water, oh water, water. So I walked out to the grieving ocean, and I lay down by the thirsty sea, and I found a man there dying without water. He looked just like me, and he said, I have come from the walls of worry, and I fled the wounded streets of war. I walked 1,000 miles in the wrong direction. What was it for? What was it for? Water, oh water, water, oh water, water, oh water, oh
Emu, I've got a flower for you. Emu.
How do you know that your flowers? Did you ask the lady?
No, no, you have to hold it.
Yes, good boy!
Hey, llama. What's life?
Just chilling.
They're kind of like,
Dinosaurs?
yeah, Jurassic Park.
That's all.
People Joanna.
She's so scared of them. Why don't you like them?
Freaky.
Why? That's exactly what they're like.
I just don't like birds so much.
Not a bird person.
Just yeah, it's like pick your fucking eyes up.
Trust exercise, take one.
Here you go.
Where am I supposed to catch you now?
Yeah, go down backwards.
Oh, you idiot!
I can catch your back.
No!
That would be much more safer. I think it's your house. Oh, you've mastered it.
Well done.
No, actually, slide down. Oh my god.
She couldn't even do it from there. She like quit halfway.
Straight. Make a lift really straight. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna test it from here, okay? Good testing.
What happened?
Crashed into something.
To what?
You tried if you were so clever.
I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Do it again.
Pick me up. Yeah, come on. Face with these. Alright, getting there. That's enough now.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat crackers on hummus.
Good one. Can I have some?
Just one? There.
Do.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like colour work. It's like you're tapping your work back.
Wow.
Don't do much my face, gross. Did it work? I think it. I don't know.
How long are you supposed to do it? Is it because you're giving yourself more pain?
No.
Oh.
You're not supposed to tap so it hurts. It's just like lightly.
Oh.
Oh, I've been
I was like,
no, lightly.
Look at all the teacups.
Tea.
My name
love
is Tea. I love tea.
You see what these say? They're really cute. Handle with chair.
Nah, that's so funny.
I'm a tea hugger. Have a brewer full day.
No. Sing to us.
Hi, I'm Ashley Connor and you're watching E. Stop filming me.
No, please sing it.
Alright.
Who's your name?
Hi, my name is Ash Hall. And my new hit song is called Brew It Up. My inspiration came from Joanna, who was once drinking some peppermint tea and yeah. Brew it up, brew it up, brew it up in a little cup. All you gotta do is drink some tea, but you gotta brew it up. That's just a little taster.
That's the iTunes sample thing.
Yes, so go buy it for $2.50 $2.25 on iTunes, and it'll be out in America
Marka.
next week in America.
Do it again.
And the dance to Brew It Up.
Brew it up,
The music.
brew it up,
Oh god.
brew it up in a little cup. Gotta brew your tea. Otherwise it's not drinkable. Ooh, 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 ooh. Brew it up. Woohoo! Brew it.
Please stop.
Little cup. Brew it up.
Because she's Ash Hall.
Home.
Stop it. What did you make?
Green curry.
Do you like it, Ashley?
Love it. It's good.
Bill and Ashley have their meat, and me and Joy have our vegetarian one. We've got chestnuts and beans and bamboo in ours. How do you like it?
It's really good.
Good night, guys.
This carrot is really hard to cut. Goodness me, that was hard. Oh, I was about to bring it to you.
Hi.
There you go.
Oh, thanks.
Hopefully this will wake you up.
What is it? What's
Taste it.
We don't even taste it.
Yeah, we actually.
That's good.
Thoughts? What's in it?
Kale. Oranges. Woohoo! I don't know what else.
Other things. It's a mystery. I'm gonna go to that waterfall though.
You guys think this is hard? How we doing? You okay?
No, it doesn't look.
Jump in! You said you were gonna do it yesterday. No, fine.
Guys, don't look this way, I'm here.
Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah, we like drinking it. Go
Oh,
Drinking like a dog. It's fast and fresh.
How did you like the walk of death?
Okay. First off, going down was fine. Going up was not. I did not like that at all. I've really tested my breathing ability as well as legs.
Your breathing ability.
Okay. Like a lot of breathing. I'm so glad it's done. And I'll probably not do it again.
Do you regret doing it?
No. No.
That's good.
That's good. Alright. And thanks, Bill, for waiting for me.
How was your day?
Well, we nearly died, but yeah.
Carry on.
Yeah.
Well, you guys did really well. It was more me who Bill caught up, and then I was like, Bill, I can't do this anymore. And then we'd walk for about 30 seconds. And I was like, no, I need to stop again. And we did that up until the top. It was hard.
No.
Doesn't feel like we've done that.
No, I feel really good.
I need some food before I get hungry.
Me too. Ready to go?
Yeah.
I shouldn't eat that.
Turn everything off.
Yep.
Good.
Bye, house. Bye, neighbours.
Oh, it's party all night.
So sticky.
Oh, so grumpy.
And tired.
You got stains all over your pants.
Me too.
And it
Ashley spilled her butter chicken all over her pants as soon as she opened it. Don't know where I'm going.
look at that. And I washed them the other day just because I like the black jean wash vibe. But I don't want to wash them twice.
Black jean wash vibe. You just made that up.
No, once you wash them, the colour fades a little bit and it becomes a bit more rugged. Like, it's sort of-
Okay.
yeah. And then you dry them and it becomes tighter. And then I don't want to wash them again.
You know, life is so hard.
Yeah.
Do I wash it again? Do I not?
No, I'm going to because I'm not worrying about
Yeah,
this
there's
one.
nothing.
The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But